Yeah, hello. Yes, I welcome you all to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord, and today's video I want to show you how you can easily transfer crypto from one platform to another exchange without any fee, without paying any fee. Yeah. So today we're using Bybit and Binance, to do it. So it's very easy. Yeah. So please, before we continue on, some people are using my name to fraud people. They will chat you and they'll be like they are crypto lord with the same image in my profile stuff. Please, I don't chat people first. I don't chat you about my mentorship and stuff. I don't do that. Yeah. So be vigilant. Okay. Yeah. I only have one TikTok channel that's around 7K, and I have one YouTube channel that's around 9K. So you have to take note. Yeah. So today I want to show you how you can transfer one crypto from one exchange to another exchange without any fee. Because doing arbitrage, one thing that people always think of is that, so after doing everything and you want to initiate another trade again, you just have to transfer your USDT to the other wallets. How can you do it without running as lost or without paying any fee? That's the reason why I'm doing this video. Yeah. So when you open your Bybit and Binance wallet, so right now I have my Binance here and I have my Bybit wallet over here. So when you want to send money from Bybit and Binance without paying anything, so just go to your assets here for the beginner's sake. So let me go down scratch so that they'll also get the point. Yeah. So when you go to the asset, since I'm sending the money from Bybit to Binance, I have to choose withdraw over here. And since I'm receiving the money in the Binance, I have to choose deposit. That's the difference. Yeah. So I'll go to my withdraw and I'll choose USDT. So USDT is like this. Then I'll come to my account or my other exchange platform, that's Binance, and that place too I will insert deposit. I'll insert deposit. Yeah, deposit, and I'll go to USDT. So in this case, before you know that you can do it without any fee, you have to search for Aptos. So Aptos comes with no fee. So if I search here Aptos here, you see that the Aptos, let me do it here. The Aptos, the fee arrival is without any fee. Is that with any fee? So I'll go to Aptos here and I'll copy the address here, come to the crypto wallet here and paste the address over here. Allow. So after that, since I chose Aptos here too, I'll choose Aptos, and you can see that the fee is 0.00. So you can see that the Ethereum is $8 when you are doing transaction with Ethereum with the ERC20 address. When you're doing transaction with the TRC20 address, it's 1.6. The Arbitrum one is $1 and the Sol is $1 and the BP20 is $1. Yeah. So this Aptos and the Mantle network is 0. But the Mantle network is not all that common. Yeah, but Aptos is common. Yeah. So when I use the Aptos here, you see that the fee is 0 without any fee. So the withdrawal fee here is 0. You see that then? Yeah. So I'll just choose to withdraw 10, and you see that the fee here will come here wasting it. So it means that I'll receive exact 10 in my Binance wallet without any fee. And this is how you transfer money from one exchange to another exchange without any fee. If it have Aptos address or Aptos withdrawal address, you are good to go. You can do it without paying any fee, and that's how it is. So thank you for watching me, and please make sure that you subscribe and follow me. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm Crypto Lord.